Welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Today's video comes to you from the channel Cache Valley Transparency. In this video, he documents the Logan Police Department conducting a crosswalk enforcement with undercover officers on the streets of 1000 North and 400 East in Logan, Utah. These officers are deliberately going undercover and crossing the street in the middle of traffic to hopefully trap and ticket drivers who aren't paying attention. Cache Valley Transparency notices them doing this and thought he would make it safer for everyone by following these undercover officers as they crossed while waving a flag signaling the crosswalk to make it safer for everyone involved. Let's watch how this department responds to his assistance for officer safety.
The young undercover cop who doesn't want to give me his name. See, I just wait until there's no traffic to cross. I don't need to be trying to get people into trouble for no reason. I'm going to start moving some over. Thought it'd help out with the flag a little bit. Yeah, I was thinking about just taking one at a time, then I gotta cross the other way without a flag. So I'm just gonna keep this flag in my hand and keep crossing. Help you guys out. Let's all be safe here. All be safe crossing together. Look at us all crossing together, being safe. Safety first. There they go again. Put all the oh, they better stop. Looks like we got another officer over there in a suit. So I'll do the safety dance, safety dance, safety dance. So I'm gonna grab like 3 of these and bring them over to the other side. Oh, that's the chief right there. That's the chief right there, guys. Safety. 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 That's the chief right there, guys. Put these in their rightful place. There. Now people can be safe on both sides of the road. Yeah, that's the chief right there.
Randy, you need to not interfere.
How we doing, Chief? I'm not interfering.
Well, you are when you're doing that with the flags. This is a state-funded operation, and this is.
I'm just crossing the crosswalk.
Hey, listen, if you have the flag and you're walking with those officers, you're interfering. I'm asking you to stop that.
Really?
Okay? Yes.
You gonna arrest me otherwise?
If you continue that, the likelihood is we will arrest you.
So I'm not allowed to cross the crosswalk?
You are allowed to cross, but you're not allowed to cross with the flag during this official operation.
So I'm not able to cross
the.
I'm not able to cross the sidewalk.
You now know.
I've been thoroughly warned, Chief. Yes, sir, Chief. I'm not allowed to use the safety flag while the government officials are doing their government business. Crossing the sidewalk. Safety. There's no safety first here. So we're gonna wander over this way because this is the chief over here. But they won't pull that person over. How about if I hold the sign? Yeah. James Freeman's got a video on him. He's kind of a douchebag. So Logan, Utah police. Logan, Utah police. Just wave my arms. What if I got a safety vest on? Can I wear a safety vest? Yeah, Pepper, I agree. I agree. Bring your own flag? Is that what I should do? The chief of police right there. Damn, guys, I got the chief to come out. Oh. I think that's aggressive driving right there. Aggressive driving. Spinning his tires.
If Chief Gary Jensen was actually concerned with the safety of the public, he wouldn't mind Cache Valley Transparency using the flags to signal the crosswalk. But it seems to me that the Logan Police Department has a revenue first, safety second mindset. If you think this department can't get any worse, just wait. You're going to see a huge misuse of funds on display here, as Cache Valley Transparency counts 8 officers who are just hanging out doing nothing, collecting pay on the taxpayer's dime. You would think there would actually be crime to prevent, people to serve, and hopefully protect. But we all know how that goes, right? Let's continue watching.
So there's that's the lieutenant. I didn't notice. They have the same license plate numbers, only one number different. It's C987YN is the lieutenant's car, and C988YN is the car behind him. Those are both non-exempt plates and the same cars they use as police cars out here. They just don't have exempt plates. They don't have any markings on them. They just have all the lights and sirens and all the bells and whistles in there. So yeah, we got look at all the money right here right now. Look at all the money being used right now here in Logan, Utah. Five cops just sitting around. So Chuck, the intersection that they're doing the operation on is 1,000 North, 400 East. If you guys want me to, I can go walk over and we can hang out with the 2 undercover officers as they walk across the street. But I think it's more interesting to look at the cops just doing nothing. Yeah, it's hilarious. That was a good picture for everybody. 5 cops on a private road. It says no trespassing. Hear them say warning on the radio a bunch of times. There's the canine guy right there. The female officer in the first car. Look at him impeding traffic. You're parked on the wrong side of the road, man. Yeah, look at this. Now this lady has to drive. That guy had to drive like in the middle of the road to the other side of the road because this guy wants to drive like an idiot. Yeah, he drove against the traffic. He's been doing all kinds of... Look at it. You got another cop here just sitting there doing nothing, playing on his computer. This cop here sitting here doing nothing, playing on his computer. You have another cop here sitting here playing on her computer. And this is the guy that just had that person pulled over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 8 cops on this one road right now. I guarantee this is the safest road in Utah.
Alright, and that's going to conclude today's video. We found another department, the Logan Police Department in Utah, misusing funds to try and trap people. Big shout out to Cache Valley Transparency for documenting and exposing this police department. Remember to always record the police to help do your part in protecting the people in your area. If you have a video that you would like us to share, send it to us at recordpolicenow@gmail.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you learned something in today's video, be sure to subscribe.
Joaquin. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you cop it. We don't give no option. Camera go shooting now.